Who wants to do a Motorboys vlog? Who wants to do a Motorboys vlog? You're not in it. Hey guys, what's poppin', boys? Today we're doing some Motorboys vlogging. We're going to return this ow, what the heck? We're turning this thing because it doesn't really work. So hey Connor, you should explain what we're doing today.
No, wait, okay, hold on, Connor. Hold on. Now explain what you're doing.
We're going to return Airsoft because it doesn't work.
He said we're going
the
to
camera goes.
We're going to return a camera that doesn't, or an airsoft gun that doesn't work. So we'll see you guys there.
Eventually.
What's poppin', boys? We're back. We actually didn't film inside the whatever place that we went to. But yeah, we're walking down the track right now. It's only like 8:45 or something, almost 9.
Yeah.
So
we got some more airsoft guns.
Yeah, we got 2 more guns, so it's pretty lit. That's what we did at Academy Sports. So yeah, sure, Connor. Wyatt, stop.
Connor, your phone's at 36%.
36?
Yeah.
Has it been charging?
Yes. 38 now.
Yeah.
It went up 2% since I looked at it 10 seconds ago.
Maybe it just started charging again.
It must have.
Is that as high as it goes?
38?
No, I'm talking about like the light.
I'm using the pee holes. I'm using the pee hole.
Or you could just go over to a tree like a normal person.
Why is the flashlight on top of that?
Because it's like...
Totally. Ta-da! It's like super hard for the camera to see probably, but... Hello. Why does this look like it could be an urban exploring video? What's poppin'?
Yours is a lot brighter when it's up close.
Yeah, I know.
But mine is too far.
So is this. I mean, you can't really tell right now, but...
Yeah, but look at Connor right now. Yeah, I don't like
Right here.
Okay, first we're just gonna do the really small stuff. This is our auto loaders, so 1 per team. Yeah, so pretty much what you do is you undo this right here, you fill it up with BBs, and then they pop out right there. Nice. But then if you push this down and push this in, it stays out. Good. But be careful because these stick things like to break.
Wait, what are those 30 for? Okay, next.
50.
We have a Sig Sauer metal slide P226. Very nice feeling gun in the hand. You know, it's got the sauce.
It's got the sauce. Oh dang, it does feel nice.
Oh yeah, it's a little plastic on the bottom, but it feels good.
It's got nice comeback. Let's look down the sides. Let's look down the range of the. Just for a sec. Okay, hang on. Let's look down the iron sights here. Good iron sights. Could use a little paint right there. Okay, this one is really nice. It has a. Connor's a little bit better at these reviews. You're like, hi Wyatt.
So, oh, yeah, boy. Oh, this one's really nice. So this is the Colt. I hit up there once. Yeah, and this one has a decent magazine now.
Let's see the magazine.
And it has a machine bolt. It feels good. Just say that there. Feels good. Yeah. Good. It's auto-loadable magazine.
What's the magazine look like? Okay, so here, I'll do a demo. Hey, Wyatt, don't fall out. Okay. Yeah, Connor, you have to pull the spring down.
What? No. Well, first off, I need things to go down in there. Oh. Let's just do this real quick. Oh, crap! You load this in there. Hey.
Whoa.
It's quiet.
Yeah.
Okay, there's one thing I don't like about this gun.
Whoa, dude. Did you crack the light?
Yes.
Yeah. Busted rifle.
Dang.
Here's how we're gonna play this game, guys.
Nice
And-
gun to shoot.
So here's how.
This is just.
You look hot. Is that the CO2 gun or no? Oh.
God, there's BBs flying everywhere.
You're out.
Okay, so here's how this game works. So we're in this giant barn, and there's an upstairs too.
Yeah, right up here.
And what we do is we close this door, and then there's an opening back. And so 2 people have to come in here and eliminate the targets, or these people try to stay alive. So we'll go get the CO2 gun in a second, and then yeah, we'll start.
We need to have some kind of rule with ammo because, like,
What do you mean?
well, the defenders can't just have unlimited ammo because the attackers will run out and
No, that's why we have the auto loaders.
Oh, dang it.
Oh yeah, they
What?
can flip as a butt. I'll do it.
But all of them are yours, technically, Connor.
Actually, they're his parents.
Oh. Oh, that is bad. He, like, completely tore off, like, skin back to here. Oh.
We'll see. Oh,
Yeah.
Bessie.
Grab the CO2 pistol.
Yeah.
See you boys later.
Guys, crap like this happens to me all the time. It's just, it just happens.
There's no ammo. There's no
That's
ammo.
actually a good idea.
What?
Is it down the track?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I kind of figured that.
Sitting on the second go.
Okay, everything is loaded, so please don't shoot anything, please.
This is in safety.
Everything is loaded except for Wyatt's gun. Your gun's loaded.
What exactly is the point of this if we have a
Turn it
giant light?
off. Well, it was on, and
like
I.
the 3 that I've been shooting.
That's loaded all the way.
See?
It's on safety and it's cocked.
No,
yes, it's
yes.
on safety and cocked.
See, now I have gloves on.
So he doesn't mess up
Okay,
his finger
so me
again.
and Connor are going to be attackers. And we'll give you guys the CO2 gun and the scar.
Yeah. Wait, why not one of these?
That is the CO2.
How many rounds does this gun have?
Like 15.
Alright, we'll
Hang
get
on,
back to you
Wyatt,
guys.
You want this gun? The
We'll get
scar?
back to you guys after this battle. Bye.
Almost like this.
Did not know they made 4-packs with 16-ounce cans.
What are the regular ounce cans?
I'm gonna steal. Hey,
The little skinny mini one.
okay, so we're just gonna clean up Connor's bed a little bit. We're gonna do some Cards Against Humanity. So
Man, this is where I was sitting the day I broke it.
walk out. No, you gotta walk out. No, walk out of your bathroom and do that.
There's this thing called, I don't want to like.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's flatten out some space here in front of me because mine's a little bumpy. See you guys after this.
Take.
Quick update on the time. It's like 11:09. We're playing some Young Pinch and yeah.
Uno.
Oh, yeah, we're playing Uno. Playing black and white Uno.
Blue. Punch your ankle if you do not get your foot off. Sorry.
Austin's over here eating popcorn with chocolate chips in it.
Stop.
So yeah,
What is wrong with you?
I'm not even supposed
see
to
you
be
guys next time.
Alternative medicine
Quick
is now
update
embracing
until-
the curative
Shut up.
powers of. I freaking drew AIDS, and I hate guts.
Okay, so
What is the card?
it's
Alternative
11:50.
medicine is now embracing the curative powers of AIDS. I could have played that, but it's of blank.
Okay.
Alternative medicine is now embracing the curative powers of blank. So they're using new things.
You know, I was doing a time update and you can't be mad at me. See, it's 11:51. So yeah, it's a time update.
Oh god, the curative power.
30 minutes ago, I was like, you up? Apparently.
We got another time update going on. Austin's having some fun in this chair. Getting on.
monitor is so crooked.
Yeah, time update. Yeah.
Wait, does this headset have the?
Time update. It's 12:58. We're currently playing COD
Did you turn the
Black Ops 2.
the Whoa.
2 on the Xbox One
Did you
/
turn
360.
the things off, Connor? The animations and stuff?
What?
It's
Alright.
battery, doesn't it?
We'll see you, what? Something
I'm
like
pretty
that.
sure it does.
See you in the next time update.
Hashtag Airsoft.
Update, it's 3:05. Oh my god. 3:05, we're about to go. Let's watch The Office out here, so.
From a hoodie and jeans to shorts and a sleeper.
The outlet doesn't work? You know you have no life when you're eating frozen pizza.
It's probably gonna say insignificant power source, but that's what my mom said. Hey.
Not straight from the fridge. It's 9:41. We woke up at like 8 something because of like giant lightning. And right now we're watching Cars 3 because we have no life.
Watching Cars 3.
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
Let me see it.